Today I finished up over $15,000 on the day. As you can see on the screen, I took 3 trades, 3 wins, so definitely pleased about today. Now the first trade I took was Tesla. Tesla had just jumped from 370 to 425 in 2 days, so it saw it pull back and open. I didn't touch it until we got about right here, right underneath the 415 area. Once we get to the 415 area, I grabbed the Tesla 400 puts at $6.20, and it bounced a little bit, but I wasn't worried about it because we moved $50 in 2 trading days that we were going to give some of it back. So I was not worried about it. If worst case, I was going to hold it overnight and see what happened tomorrow. But as the day went on, later in the afternoon, it finally dumped and went down to almost 400. So I'm very, very pleased about that. I got them at 620, and they ended up going to $10 plus on that dump right there. So that ended up being a really, really good play. Then the other 2 plays was I took SPY calls at 1121, which is right, actually 1123, which is right here. When it pulled back to VWAP, I grabbed the 6610 calls at 720, and then went from 720 to $10 on that bounce off VWAP. So I'm very happy about that. And then I bought the 6610 calls again at 1258, which is right here, right when it got underneath 660. I got the 6610 calls at initially got them at 580. I was not stopping out of the calls. I mean, it just seems like every time you buy calls, it dips a little more, gets stopped out, and it rips and goes into in your direction with a vengeance. So I was not stopping out. If anything, I was going to add, and we got down to lower day. I ended up adding at 350, making my new average 450. And they ended up going from 450 to 740 in that pop right there. Because if I got it here, stopped out, back down here, I mean, look, it did this, and SPY has been doing that a lot lately. As you can see right here, it did it. It would have caught me. I would have stopped out, but I didn't. I stayed in it. I added, and I got a nice little play off that. And the same thing right here. I mean, it makes new lower day, and it pops the other way. SPY has been doing that a lot lately. The last actually a few weeks or so. It just fakes the drops and keeps going. So I was not stopping out no matter what. So with that said, if you want to know more about my plays and what I'm doing, you can find my link in my bio, or you can just go to optionslottos.com and it will take you there too. Thanks for watching.